people here on Main Street today. It's Tuesday. About 2:30 p.m. right now, and I think 3 o'clock is supposed to be the B-1 bomber flyover. That's what they've had in the past. As far as I know, they're doing that today too. Haven't heard anything different, so we'll have to see if it actually happens. I haven't actually read anywhere for sure. I know for sure, but just from past years' experience. So, anyways, I'm going to take a walk around Sturgis for a little while and just enjoy the Main Street for a while. Alright, it's about 5 minutes to 3. The B-1 bomber will be coming from that direction. I'm right next to my bike, right in the center of Main Street. I'll be flying over right about there. I'm right underneath that sign that goes that way. So I should get a pretty clear shot the whole time. Just underneath the sign that's over right over my head. Alright, it's about 1 minute to 3. We're all patiently waiting for the B-1 bomber. Keep an eye out that direction. There it is. There it is, right there. Yeah, I'll get it wide angle so I don't miss it. Here he comes. Directly overhead. There we go. That was the B-1 bomber flyover. One of the traditions that I like to hold every year, to come to see that fly over every year. So, and that was for 2024. So talk to you later. There was that flying over. The B-1 bomber will finish flying over. Now everyone's moving around again. Okay, one more video clip from Main Street, Sturgis. Where I'm right by my bike. I'm going to hop on it and head out of here. Alright, see ya at the Buffalo Jet. Yeah, like I said, I'm at the Buffalo Chip now, and heading into the amphitheater, and already there's a lot more, incoming traffic than there was those other nights that I've been here. But anyways, let's head into the amphitheater and see what it looks like in there. Alright, right now it's about 20 to 6, and it was about 5:30 right, that previous clip, just to kind of get a time frame of what time it is in relation to how many people are here. But tonight they do not allow any bikes in the amphitheater because it's going to be a Jelly Roll is performing, and it's really big name. They're expecting a ton of people. They did not want to have all the bikes, you know, taking up room and everything. So it's only bodies tonight. But anyways, yeah, I brought the chair in. I'm not going to be leaving until after the show. It'll probably be after midnight. So I'm not going to stand on my feet for 6 hours. That's not going to happen. Not doing that. So I brought the chair in so I can sit down and relax for a while and just enjoy the buffalo chip for a while. So, okay, talk to you later.
So what we're going to do here, this rain is coming and we're playing this by ear right now. We have a meteorologist that is on property right now. We're thinking that what we did is we went ahead and canceled out all the activities, this buffalo chip pageant and all that. What's that, man? No, we don't care if we get wet. We're here to have a party. We're going to party anyway. So anyway, here's the business. Here's what I was told. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and scrub all the rest of the stuff that's happening through the rest of the night except you get the program. So again, what we might do, we're kicking his show up a bunch, okay? I put a call into Mother Nature. I said, you better not rain on our parade anymore. She listened. We only have a couple more minutes, ladies and gentlemen. They are coming up. They are backstage right now. Thank you for your patience. You're in for one hell of a night at the best party anywhere. The legendary Sturgis Buffalo Chip. One more time, some people came in. Well, since the last time I was here, just let Jelly Roll know how many people are here. 1, 2, 3, make it go! We get fixed and ready to make this thing happen. Yeehaw! Let the games begin.
I'm a long-haired son of a sin. I'm searching for new ways I can get down. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever walk around, write these songs. I can't hear y'all. Oh, I'm not big old. Oh, I got friends in all places. With guys like Harley, I got friends all places. Thank you, Sturgis. Multiple number ones, multi-platinum recording artist, Harley.
Jelly Roll concert just finished a little while ago. And everybody is exiting. I'm just kind of hanging back and I'll let everyone kind of get out before I walk all the way to my bike is. I parked my bike way over at the other end almost near the exit, so when I get to it I don't have to really go very far to get out. But I'm kind of letting the people, you know, it's going to be heavy traffic and everything, I'm going to have to just be patient. I'm going to be getting back to the tent pretty late, so whether I walk right down or not. And I've heard it mentioned there was like 30,000 people here at the concert tonight, so wow, that's something else. They knew tonight was going to be a big night. This is why I parked over by the exit. This is a mess. Wow. I'm almost to my bike and you see the traffic backed up out there on the highway. So I'm just going to get over by my bike and just sit there and wait for a while, and I mean, it won't make any difference if I get on with I guess get in a jam and not get anywhere anyways. So I'm gonna just sit by the bike and wait for a while. A little quieter here, but there's a highway out there still. I'll wait a little bit longer. You know, since I'm not doing anything more tonight except for I'm gonna wait to head back to camp, I think I'll just wrap up this video right now. Not doing anything more, so alright, it was quite a night. Really good concerts by both Dasha and Jelly Roll. Really good. I'm glad I was here and experienced that. So, well, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.